Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn surface modeling. This is the tree you can see for surface modeling: surface entities, analytic surface entities and synthetic surface entities. Curve segment is the fundamental building block for curve entities, and surface patch is the fundamental building block for surfaces. Siemens NX surface through curve mesh command. In Siemens NX surface through curve mesh command is used to create a body through a mesh of sections in one direction and guides in another direction. There the shape fits through the mesh of curves. The section is curves, point, solid edges, solid face. How to use through curve mesh command? We will see this in software. Okay. For this, we will draw this sketch on a plane. Then take a point on four sides of this ellipse. These are the 4 points. Then draw a sketch like this again. This is how the sketch will look. Then curve through mesh command. By using this command, we can obtain this ellipse as per these guide curves. Then by choosing this horizontal plane, you can draw this sketch and extrude this. N-sided surface. Like this you can create a through curve mesh command.